Hello, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen and I'm your host Vicky. Karibuni sana. In our today's menu, we're gonna cook pork ribs, I have a guest today in the kitchen. Her name is Gabby and she's here to taste our meal. Karibu sana. Hi.
Hi, how are you doing? Fine. You're looking nice. Oh, you're looking good too.
Thank you. Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Yeah. So today I cooked pork ribs, mashed potatoes, mushroom sauce, and I also have broccolis. Wow. I hope you're gonna like it.
My favorite, in fact, is just when you mentioned mashed potatoes, my heart was just excited. I have to right see.
Here. I'm just covering. I have here mashed potatoes. Broccolis and the ribs, and this is
the mushroom sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
I love cooking, and most of the food I cook is for my family.
Yeah.
My daughters love good food, so I must say they also contribute to this passion.
And I would like to comment on your kitchen. It's just organized. I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well organized.
Yeah.
Hey.
Sasa. This sauce, garlic mushroom sauce. I've served our food, and this is how it looks like.
It looks yummy.
Yeah.
Hey, I can't wait to test it. For real.
Okay. Karibu sana. So guys, join us to the table.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Karibu mpenzi tule.
Asante. I can't wait.
It's now you have a chance to eat. You can't wait anymore. Sindio? No waiting. Wow.
Okay. Let me take another one to be sure.
Wow. So heavenly, my goodness.
The sauce is just nice. The mushroom sauce, I love it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I thought it was just me.
I love it, not you alone. It's so nice. The food looks just good in the plate. And I love your plates, by the way.
Thank you.
They're so fancy. They're nice. I've loved the sauce. The pork is so sweet, yummy.
Yeah.
So to ask, what did you put in the mashed potatoes?
I boiled with salt, cooked like well done, and then when I was ready to mash, I added the prestige, or you call it margarine.
Margarine, yeah.
And milk.
Oh, so you put milk?
Yes, I did.
If you just I can just smell the aroma from here.
Yeah. It's
nice.
I love it.
The garnishing also looks so pretty. I'm just tempted to eat like almost all of it.
Eat everything. Just what you do, add salt to your garnish. If you have to eat. Yeah, this they say sometimes eyes are excited when they see something good.
True.
That's why you find most people garnish their food when they niangalie mdomo. Niko aje?
Uko sawa.
Nimekula leo jamani.
Thank you Vicky for this.
Haki mimi nimeshiba, nataka tu kulala.
Wewe hata usiseme.
Naenda kwa coach. do that sleepy after meal.
Yes, they eat so
it
nice.
hits different kwa coach.
I can say that again.
So cheers to that.
Oh, really?
Wow, nimeshiba.
Thank you. I really enjoyed the meal.
Yeah.
The pork was yummy. The mushroom sauce, even don't say.
Yeah.
The broccoli, I loved it the way you made it.
Yeah.
I just loved everything.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited about this experience. At least I got some tips. And please, people, don't forget to subscribe,
Yes.
like, comment, share. Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen.
Yeah.
She's just the best.
Oh.
You see that smile? She's just pretty, and her food is also yummy like the way she is.
Yeah. Oh, I'm humble.
The kitchen is just fine, clean.
Thank
I've
you.
just loved everything about today.
Oh. Guys, this is Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen and I am your host Vicky. See you in my next one. Asante. All right. Are we together? Hello, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. When you're ready, I'm ready. Alright, so guys, team multitasking.